Venezuelan regime nervously bars opposition leader Machado from public office for 15 years. Venezuela has prohibited opposition leader Maria Corina Machado from running in the forthcoming elections, amplifying tensions in the run-up to the 2024 presidential vote. The government's move to suspend Machado for 15 years is seen as an attempt to thwart her prospective candidacy next year. Similar restrictions have been imposed on other prominent opposition figures, including former governor and twice presidential candidate Enrique Capriles. The opposition, however, remains undeterred, anticipating eventual reversals of these bans. This controversial decision arrives shortly after the government initiated a contentious restructuring process of the electoral body. The opposition is planning primaries without government backing, while the government's effort to make Machado ineligible is perceived as an attempt to dissuade opposition voters. Machado dismissed the ban as futile during a rally in Barinas, the hometown of the late Hugo Chavez. They are aware of their impending defeat, Machado asserted, advising the regime against resorting to despair. The ban, announced in a letter from the comptroller's office to lawmaker José Brito, stipulates that Machado is barred from holding public office for 15 years retroactive from 2015. The government cites mistakes and omissions in her asset declarations, and alleged involvement in corruption plots led by former interim president Juan Guaidó, as reasons for her suspension. The U.S. State Department criticized the ban, describing it as depriving the Venezuelan people of fundamental political rights. It further expressed concerns over the Venezuelan government's attempts to reshape the electoral body, undermining its independence and credibility. Colombian President Gustavo Petro, an ally of Maduro, also condemned the ban. The Organization of American States, OAS, General Secretariat contested the decision, demanding conditions for a transparent and fair vote in 2024. Recent polls indicate Machado's growing popularity. She is presently leading among 14 candidates poised to challenge President Nicolas Maduro in the 2024 election. The latest survey by Caracas-based ORC consultors shows her leading with 46.4% of voter intention in May, up from 35.4% in November. Oswaldo Ramirez Colina, head of ORC consultors, suggested that the government's move might be a desperate attempt to stem the growing support for Machado. 8 out of 10 primary voters, according to recent studies, are undeterred by a candidate's ineligibility and would still vote for their chosen candidate. Enrique Capriles, one of Machado's main rivals, condemned her ban as illegitimate, unjustified, and unconstitutional.